Why would you want the log on top of the frog?
No, I wanted the snake on top of the frog.
That doesn't make no difference. The frog was just on top of the snake.
It does make a difference because he's under him and he can like kill him.
If he wants to kill him, he'll kill him. Now let's go.
Move. No.
You take that.
Ow.
5 dice. The odds of making
700 right there. No, 800.
You're good if you want to stay. You can be on the board.
800 right there. That's 800 right there. 800, 900, 1,000.
1,000 or you want to keep going?
I'm gonna get your room.
They're on the board.
Right there.
Oh no. Look at this, look at this.
Hold that dog. Yeah.
Why not? Oh, he got him. He got him. He struck him. He struck him. He struck him once.
The frog?
Yeah, he went. Just once he went.
That's it. It's over with.
The frog's fixing to die.
Yeah, the frog's freaking out.
See, he struck him in the back. Yeah, he struck him right in the back.
Yeah,
I saw that.
The frog just like